And last not least, we print the routing file exactly to the customer needs and nothing more, nothing less. We span a pick and place process in parallel to populate all the functional modules, and then we put it and we laminate it and put it together. And with this decor or functional panel, now we go into the final assembly line, snap, click it in, and at that moment, this lavatory becomes the customer's lavatory. Before that, it is a lavatory suitable for all aircraft, and only at that point it becomes our customer's lavatory. You have to know that usually, or in today's world, at the second manufacturing step of such a lavatory becomes bound to a manufacturer serial number, to a specific aircraft for a specific customer. And any late changes after the second manufacturing step causes usually to scrap what is already built and start from scratch new with the new lavatory according to customer desires. And we could eliminate that immediately. Then, once it is snapped in,